in your car, did you glimpse her old bullet scar? Is she really evil or just insane? Is she evil or just in pain? She checked in at the last resort, but everybody sold her short. Come on, Ali, let's hear you speak out. Just plead for mercy, beg for your life. What do they think when they see a girl? Look at the saints, look at the whore. It's a wicked, wicked world. She don't want to be here anymore. She don't want to be here anymore. It's a wicked, wicked world. It's a wicked, wicked world. A wicked world. Wicked.
Very wicked. Mark! You guys need another drink?
Do we look like we need another drink? Shazam. No, thank you for that kind offer. You're a most kind person.
Thank you for looking out.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So earlier I was talking about when I was young and I never went to a recording studio and the crowds taught me a couple chords and they taught me one more chord. And they said, this is probably, that was the first song I ever recorded with them. This is probably the last song I ever recorded with them. And it is called Call of the Wig Hat. And this song is called Call of the Wig Hat. This song is okay. Call of the Wig Hat by the Cramps. How do you think a moron in wig hat suspense? I'll tell you that later, but first I'll tell you this. Woo. Ow, 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 woo. Well, Willie tore his hair out and Sally grew a beard. Then tattoo. What's that on the dome? It's a fall of the winner. It's a modern age taboo. Can't forever separate old from new. Woo! Ow! Woo! Thank you, Detroit. Thank you, Detroit. Thank you so much. Very sexy people. Thank you. Oh, yay, yay for you, yay for us. Five more. My child. Five more.
Have a cigarette.
Never say never. So we're going to a song. Go to a song from the Great American Songbook, written a traditional tune we all know, we love, very patriotic. It is by the greatest living not living American poet. Their name is Jeffrey Lee Pierce, and the song is called Sex Beach. Johnny's got a light in his eyes, and Shirley's got a light on her lips. Jake's got a monkey shot on his head, and Deborah Ann's got a tiger in her hips. They can twist, they can turn, they can move, they can burn, they can throw themselves against the wall. They creep for what they need, and they explode to the call, and they sex beat rock. Well, it's stupid like I told ya. Well, it's stupid like you saw. Well, it's stupid as the simple thought of ever thinking at all. All that mind, all the soul, all the body, all we know. All those things that should have made us whole. All that colorless security, only so you could go and to the sex beat drop. blue. You ain't my tropical Republican. You're a sacrificial fool. But my body's in the water and my heart is in your hand. This is the way that you send me to the judgment land. So you can't hurt. To the sex beat, rock it out. And just a day of three, you throw me down by the Christmas tree. You watch my lights blink on and off. Well, you start your fun with me. Well, I know your reasons, and I know your goal. We can fuck forever, but you will never get my soul. So you can't. To the sex beat one more time. Thank you, Jeffrey.
Yay!
Woo!
Doing them justice.
Justice. I remember that.
Very 20th century.
True.
I remember the kind of September that was with you. You. So we're going to do a song just as romantic as that song. Yes, it is for the lovers. Yes, we're all lovers. Yeah. Only lovers left alive.
Lovers left.
So I'm having my Detroit movie nerdness. Yes. But what a great movie, huh? An amazing movie, amazing film. Partly filmed in Detroit. Tilda Swinton, Jim Jarmusch, amazing. I met Jim Jarmusch like in the 80s when I was living in Germany. And I was with a bunch of German filmmakers, and they were saying, Jan Jarmusch is coming, Jan Jarmusch. And I was actually playing with Nick Cave at the time. And Nick Cave was like, what do you say, jam sandwich? Jam sandwich is coming. But I love Jim Jarmusch. I do. But sometimes I think of him as jam sandwich. It's all fun. It's all in fun. But this is not about jam sandwiches or Berlin or any of that. But it is about all about lovers left alive. It's called Never Say. We were out last night, lost in a melody. We looked deep into deep into each other's eyes. But when we got out, there was no surprise. That red bench that was by the side of the road, it held all the secrets that you never told. And that round wood upon which we sat, I heard the sound of a dog and an old cat. Where we stop, nobody knows. And round we go. Where we stop is where we go. Here we go again, talking to you, my friend, in the wild winds, and all those things we never said. They go out into the ocean and come back to us in the sea. And I wonder why you're not with me. And there were clouds, and they gathered overhead, but a light shone through, and it put me on my head. The sound of pink and blue flowers over me, and the sound of all the things that we never see. Thank you very much, Detroit. Thank you. I'll see you back at the merch booth. Thank you for coming out on the school night.
Thank you for your